Welcome back to Wellness Eats, your go-to channel for all things health and nutrition. Today, we're diving into a tiny yet powerful superfood that's been buzzing in the health community, chia seeds. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be sprinting to your nearest grocery store to grab a bag of these magical seeds. Let's get started on this chia adventure. But before we unveil the incredible health benefits, let's take a quick look at what these little wonders are. Chia seeds are derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico. They might be tiny, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. Plus, they are so versatile that you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Alright, here's the first jaw-dropper. Chia seeds are absolute powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids. Yes, you heard that right. They are a fantastic plant-based source of omega-3s, which is incredible news for all the vegans and vegetarians out there. These essential fats are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Who knew something so small could have such a massive impact on our bodies? Now, hold on tight because we're just getting started. And hey, if you're finding this information valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the chia love together. Raise your hand if you're looking to shed a few pounds. Well, here's the deal, chia seeds can be your secret weapon on your weight loss journey. When mixed with water or other liquids, these little seeds form a gel-like substance, which helps you feel fuller for longer. This magical gel not only curbs your appetite but also slows down the absorption of sugar, keeping those pesky cravings at bay. Who needs unhealthy snacks when you have chia seeds in your corner? But wait, there's even more to uncover. Remember to stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that will totally surprise you. Keep that curiosity burning. You're running on the treadmill, and suddenly, you hit a wall of fatigue. We've all been there, right? Well, chia seeds to the rescue. These tiny wonders are like a natural energy boost packed with nutrients like protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. The ancient Aztecs used to rely on chia seeds to fuel their long journeys, and now, you can fuel your busy days too. Alright, here's a little bonus for our loyal viewers. Not only are chia seeds excellent for your body, but they're also fantastic for your skin. Thanks to their high antioxidant content, chia seeds fight off those pesky free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Who doesn't want that natural glow? And there you have it, folks, the marvelous health benefits of chia seeds. From boosting brain power to supporting weight loss and giving your skin a makeover, these little gems have earned their superfood status. So, next time you're looking for an easy and delicious way to boost your health, think chia seeds. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a life-changing episode. Drop a comment below on how you plan to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. I'd love to hear your creative ideas.